welcome to this new video, where we'll dive headfirst into the heated debate. Is it truly worth making the switch from the KTM TPI to the TBI model? Buckle up and hold on tight, because we're about to uncover the thrilling advantages that'll leave you craving more. And hey, let's not forget to explore whether the TBI model has any hidden weaknesses lurking in its engine. Today, we're turning up the heat and leaving no stone unturned as we delve into this exhilarating comparison. So grab your helmets and rev those engines, because you're in for an epic ride. KTM TPI stands for Transfer Port Injection, a fuel injection system introduced by KTM for their two-stroke off-road motorcycles. It uses a direct injection system to deliver fuel into the transfer ports of the engine cylinder. The main benefits of KTM TPI include improved fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, and reduced exhaust emissions. KTM TBI stands for Throttle Body Injection, fuel injection system used in KTM's new motorcycles. It employs a fuel injection mounted on the throttle body. The key advantages of KTM TBI are precise fuel metering, better throttle response, and increased power output compared to TPI bikes. Now listen up, my fellow riders. I'm about to share my 2 cents on this matter. Brace yourselves, because it might just blow your minds. In my humble opinion, both the TPI and TBI models have what it takes to leave the average rider grinning from ear to ear. That's right, folks. If you think that switching to the new model will magically transform you into a dirt bike maverick, think again. Instead, why not going into honing your skills with some top-notch rider training? But hold your dirt bikes, because I digress. Let's get back on track. Now, let's talk performance. Brace yourselves for the ultimate showdown. While the TPI and TBI models have similar performance levels, there's a little something that sets the TBI apart. A fast throttle response that's a dream come true for all you enduro enthusiasts out there. Buckle up, my friends, because this baby is designed to make your heart race and your soul soar. But wait, there's more. The TBI isn't just about quick reflexes. It's a traction powerhouse that'll make your off-road escapades a breeze. Imagine the sheer thrill of tearing through the dirt, feeling that unrivaled grip beneath your wheels. However, let's be honest for a moment. If you're craving for maximum traction, then perhaps a good old-fashioned carbureted motorcycle is the way to go. It's a tantalizing choice for those who refuse to settle for anything less than tire-scorching, ground-gripping power. So, my fellow adventurers, as we rev our engines and plunge into this debate, remember this: the TPI and TBI models are both incredible beasts that'll leave you yearning for more. It's not just about the destination, but the exhilarating journey along the way. So, grab life by the handlebars, my friends, and let the winds of possibility carry you to new heights. Hold onto your handlebars, folks, because we're about to rev up the excitement to another level. Strap in tight as we dig deeper into the heart-pounding world of KTM models. We're about to ignite a fiery debate on fuel consumption. And trust me, it's a discussion that'll leave your head spinning. Is it even important to ask? Prepare to have your mind blown, because I'm about to reveal why this discussion holds more weight than you ever imagined. Let's hit the brakes for a moment and shift gears. When it comes to the maintenance of these mighty machines, buckle up for some eye-opening revelations. It's as simple as this: if you've mastered the art of servicing your TPI, then you're already equipped to conquer the world of TBI. Now, start your bikes, because I've uncovered 3 game-changing flaws that might just ruffle a few feathers on the TBI model. Are you ready for this? Brace yourselves, because it's about to get real. Picture this: you're tackling treacherous terrains and challenging conditions, when suddenly, you realize the first disadvantage that sends shivers down your spine: the absence of a kickstart option. I get it. The design and chassis may be different, but let's face it, when you're perched at the top of a mountain, the need for a trusty kickstart becomes your lifeline. That's why I'm raising my flag for TPI, folks. It's got that kickstart feature, because being stranded at the hill without one, absolutely spine-chilling. But wait, there's more. We're diving headfirst into the deep end, exploring the second disadvantage that'll leave you questioning your choices. TBI needs to have oil tank, but does it really need 2 oil tanks? We all know the tales of the TPI's infamous oil tank burst. But imagine the double whammy if both tanks decide to crack on the TBI model. Now, that's not just an inconvenience, my friends. It's a bigger expense that'll leave riders reeling. Hold onto your wallets, because this flaw just turned into a high-stakes game. And final, let's talk about subframes. The intricate balance between plastic and aluminum. It used to be a game-changer for KTM, but now, dare I say, it's a double-edged sword. While Husqvarna motorcycles revel in this advantage, KTM finds itself on the other side of the fence. It's a plot twist that'll leave you pondering the delicate dance of engineering choices. So there you have it, my adrenaline-seeking comrades. We've uncovered the exhilarating highs and nerve-wracking lows of the TBI model. It's a roller coaster ride of triumphs and tribulations that'll make your heart pound and your mind race. So, buckle up and join the conversation, share your thoughts, drop your comments, because this is where the excitement truly begins. Closed cartridge forks versus open cartridge forks, what do you prefer more? Here's the truth. Just because a fork has a closed cartridge design doesn't automatically make it superior to its open cartridge counterpart on the TPI. Let's dispel the myths and shake off the misconceptions that circulate online. You may have heard the buzz, the claims that open cartridge forks are inadequate while closed cartridge forks reign supreme. But hold on, fellow riders, because I beg to differ. For most riders out there, open cartridge forks are a fantastic choice. They offer a plush, comfortable ride, effortlessly absorbing the impact of stones and rough terrain. On the other hand, closed cartridge forks are more for the adrenaline junkies, the fast riders who love pushing the limits. So, riders, take your time to research and find the fork setup that suits your riding style. But there's more to the story, my friends. Brace yourselves as we unravel another intriguing truth. You might have come across comparisons between closed cartridge forks and cone valve forks online. Let me set the record straight. While they may appear similar at first glance, a closer look reveals significant differences. Yes, they both fall under the closed cartridge category, but their composition and performance diverge. So, fellow riders, don't rush to conclusions about closed cartridge forks. The name alone does not make them superior to TPI forks. Let's take a moment to gather more information and separate fact from fiction. Fear not, for we'll share the truth once we've delved deeper into the topic. Strap on your gear, my fellow riders, and embrace the excitement ahead. Our journey is far from over. Together, we'll challenge misconceptions and relish the thrill of the unknown. Stay tuned, riders, as we continue to explore, leaving no stone unturned. The road ahead is filled with exhilarating discoveries, and we'll conquer it together, one twist of the throttle at a time. My friends, switching from the TPI model to TBI won't bring any big changes in riding experience. If you ask me, I'd say it's time to redirect that hard-earned money into something truly worthwhile, investing in training with a good off-road instructor who can learn you the secrets of enduro techniques and skills. Here's the deal. Both models are exceptional in their own right. The TPI has been put through its paces, flaws and all, and we've come to know its quirks and issues. On the other hand, the TBI is the new kid on the block, and we're only scratching the surface of its potential problems. So, my fellow riders, I lean towards the TPI, the battle-tested model that I can fix with my eyes closed when it decides to throw a problem. But hey, that's just my 2 cents. I'm here to ignite the spark of curiosity within you and present all the angles. It's your journey, your decision, and whichever path you choose, I'll be right here cheering you on. So, my fellow adrenaline junkies, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for joining me on this ride. Strap in, hold on tight, and let's conquer the off-road together. Remember, it's not just about the machines we ride, but the skills we hone and the experiences we embrace. Thank you for being part of this exhilarating journey, and until our next adventure, keep the throttle wide open and the spirit of adventure alive.